Friends, welcome to this particular video, and in this video we'll be talking about business cost model. So what do you mean by business cost model? We know that in any business, if we are having some internal cost, and if we add our profit into this, if we add our margin into this, and that would give us the sales cost. The old model of this is cost plus profit is equal to sales price. Why? Because you are having certain internal cost, you are adding into that, you are adding your margin into that, and you are selling it to the world. And as such, 20 years back, 15 years, 20 years back, you did not had an opportunity to compare the cost, but perspective has changed now. Now the new definition is price minus cost and profit. Do you know why? Because let's say if you are going to purchase anything from the store, and the seller has given you certain price, immediately you will check them into the online portals and will identify what is the price difference. And if you feel that you are getting less price online, you are having all the decisions to make whether you need to purchase from online or from the retail store. And that is why your market price is fixed. You cannot do much change in it. Now if you would like to increase your profitability, then you are having only opportunity to work on your internal cost. And that is why nowadays, when customer is having very good awareness about the prices of the product, and prices of the products are almost fixed, you are having only opportunity to work on internal cost. So this was the comparison of the old model versus new model. When you are generating the defects, when you are making more defects, then definitely your internal cost will go up. Now when we are creating defect, or when we are supplying defective parts to the customer, generally we are having this tip of iceberg. Because if customer is giving us our product back, or if customer is not accepting our services, what we lose is rejections, or let's say we are having certain cost involved into it, and generally we think we are having 2 to 8% cost associated with it. But as you can see here, that it is just tip of iceberg. Actually, when you customer is rejecting, or when you are creating defectives and getting rejected, then you are actually incurring 15 to 40% of the cost. Which are those costs? Waste, rejects, testing cost, rework, customer returns, your inspection costs, recalls, customer allowances, planning delays, development cost, employee turnover, expediting cost, logistic costs, brand value, all these are incurred into this. And generally we do not count all this cost, and in Six Sigma we will be touching those, and that called is cost of poor quality. So actually you are having two quality: cost of quality, the cost which you are incurring to create the right kind of product, and cost of poor quality, cost which you are incurring because of the defect or generating defective into the product.